Hello little friends, are you ready to play? Big dog and little cat are here today. Let's learn numbers, come on everyone. Counting numbers is so much fun. Can you see the number one? One bright sun, shining like fun. Can you see the number two? Two cute birds flying in the blue. Can you see the number three? Three little flowers near the tree. Can you see the number four? Four small stars shining more. Can you see the number five? Five big balloons in the sky. Great job, friends, you did so well. Numbers are fun, can't you tell? Thanks for counting, see you soon. Mr. Trixie 9 says fun never ends. Can you see the number four? Four small stars